Hi, this is Dean from Dean's Daily Doses. Got a ProMark VR70 virtual reality drone. Picked it up today. The Walmart had them on sale. Been looking at them for a while. They had a cheaper Walmart than what you could get online. It was pretty good deal. You got the 2-year warranty with it too, just in case. I've never flown a drone, so could be ugly. This one, it's got the Smart Flight headless mode, auto takeoff, 1-key landing, auto hovering. That should be handy for pictures and video. 1 flip button, up to 12 minutes flight time. App enabled, which I put on my phone. Download it on the end here. That's iPhone, that's Android. Wi-Fi streaming, 720p HD camera. And it holds your phone on here, on the controller. And then that's you got a VR headset with it. I have a couple headsets anyway, but controller on the back. Here's the front, pretty good size. Phone goes into here. It's adjustable for different size phones. Little knob here to turn to adjust it. Pretty tight. I may have to get a pair of pliers. Smells like model glue. Alright. That's the controller. Pretty cool. Like I said, I'll have to hopefully I got battery. Gotta have 4 double A's in here. It doesn't come with batteries. 1, 2, 3. Have to find another. I have to find one more. Oh, there they are. Let me get a pair of pliers while I'm up. some extra tools, just in case. Holding it. Yeah.
Oh, the cat's in here.
Yeah, they're
You're
in
good,
here.
Katie. Cat's in there. Seriously, you got one? Seriously.
Yeah, this is the big one. Works with the seal and stuff on. Had to get tools, set the controller up. Walmart had them on sale. Remember I was looking online now?
What is that, Walmart?
Yeah, we went today and they had an ad.
You're like, heck yeah.
Pretty cool. Big.
Look like one of the fancy ones. The expensive ones.
Do what?
Looks like your, the fan ones. The expensive ones.
And big expensive one?
Yeah.
It's low. It's big. It looks like that Phantom 3 or whatever.
Oh, you didn't even have a VR stick. Oh, I get it.
Yeah, so they'll record. Be complete with that. Got extra. Cats don't chew it up. They were chewing on my tripod earlier. I got the 2-year agreement with it too, so it comes with a couple extra propellers, a couple extra legs, some guards, a couple extra charging cable, VR headset.
What's he chewing on?
Huh?
What's he chewing on?
There's no telling. There's a piece of tape sticking up on that plastic thing. Dang. That's a nice VR set. Leather. Feels like leather in there. This one. Kitty. Simba's naturally gonna chew on everything. I set up the tripod out there. I was gonna do it out there, but then oh, this thing expands. That way it's like you're flying with it. See that? That thing's nice.
Dang, this is bigger than mine.
It
Oh, it
expands.
stinks.
Yeah, it smells like model glue or something. And it expands on its own. That's pretty cool.
Oh, this thing is terrible. It smells like spray paint.
That is a beast of a drone right there. It's not connected, so the battery must be charged up.
This is real nice.
Yeah, that thing's real nice. I downloaded it at. Come with the app on it. Not a lot of room up in there.
The what? Promax VR drone one?
Yeah, this is. Oh, you plug it in, cord in here to charge it. You can fly it without the camera. And there's the power button. Probably don't want to hit it yet.
Just fly up in there.
Do you see all the stuff it does? Auto takeoff, auto landing,
Fly ahead this mode. Auto take.
one key landing, auto hovering for taking pictures and video. You can hit the button and it'll just.
Some people lose their drones.
Yeah.
A lot of people lose their drones.
That's why I got the 2-year replacement warranty.
Wait, so if you lose it, you can go get a new one?
I guess, I don't know. We'll find out. Hopefully I don't lose it.
Hopefully.
See, this way you can hover and I can record videos.
Especially at night.
Yeah, I think you can.
Could you like getting your moon shots? Pretty cool, pretty
Oh, this.
cool.
Okay. It's just a thing like that. You just pop that right in. Oh. And then you pop two little screws in there, it gives you blade guards. That makes this drone huge.
I need to let my dog in.
Think of that. Look how big that makes this thing. With the blade guards. My little bitty pliers. Sucker's cool. Had to find them little screws. It was all pretty much put together.
What screws?
Huh?
What screws?
There's a little bit of screws, see? Put it in. You take them covers out, you can fly it with or without these big old guards. I think I'd rather have them
I think
guards
it's safer with the guards on.
Yeah, I've never flown a drone. I flew a helicopter.
Even popular people use it too.
I flew a helicopter one once and it's tore up in the box now. That was just after a couple times I couldn't get it to balance. I still got it in there.
And what?
Helicopter that you fly with the iPhone. Little screws or something that's gonna be in here. 4. Oh, there it is. What's that? Oh, landing rack. Spare bolts for that. Oh, there's 2 extra cones for the top. That's cool. They give you all these extra parts.
Could you bring it?
And handy dandy screwdriver.
You're probably gonna lose.
It's pretty cool.
The reason I give you extra is because if you break it.
Must be
Especially
pretty common.
especially when you're new to it.
And, well, this one does all that stuff automatically, so it shouldn't be too horrible.
Shouldn't be. Oh yeah.
So I'm putting the blade guards on. Price of these things, it's worth putting it in. I'd rather fly with the guards on. It's not something that's easy to come by. If you got the money, it's easy to come by, but I've been watching these for a long time. Nice batch of spare parts. I'll be doing a lot of videos with this. You have to watch my channel, keep up on, so you can see some of the different videos. Maybe go out to the lakes and stuff. Wonder, yeah, you can take pictures because the app had a picture. You could do some aerial photography with this. That's a big.
12-minute flight time.
Yeah, that's pretty good. A lot of them I was looking at, the camera was either really flimsy, the drone was real flimsy. The flight time, 6-7 minutes, stuff like that.
Oh, Wi-Fi streaming?
Yeah. Yeah, it says Wi-Fi streaming, all kind of stuff. Looks like that, them big, super expensive Phantom. There's 4 extra screws there. Spare blades, little screws for it. Landing rack. Blade protector. Extra screws in that. And look, the cats get a play toy.
Yeah.
They love boxes. Alright, I'll put these back in here so they don't get broke. Put all the little spare bags, and they even mark what the bolts are for. That's pretty cool. They did a good job with that. Yeah, Walmart. This was cheaper than what they were online for these.
Hey, what?
Yeah, Walmart had them cheaper. They're on sale for a lot cheaper than online. Online, I was wanting $200 to $300.
Well, I mean, it comes with a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Well, it's worth it. I mean, a lot of the drones, some of them are plastic. They're little styrofoam. Remember that one drone that I wanted before? It was styrofoam. We'll put all these spare parts back in here. Won't fit in the box with the guards on. I'll put the parts back in here. Maybe. Fit. A little break with it.
Well, they don't get stuck in a tree.
Huh?
There's so many trees over here.
Yeah. Well, it should be pretty decent to fly, though. Shouldn't be too bad. There's a book.
Got stickers.
Oh, there's a whole little patch. Instruction manual. Little reflective stickers. Do not return this product to the store. That's the headset. Could use them for all the headset. I got a horror video app on my phone.
That's what I
It
was
would
try.
be cool with them. Yeah. Left, right. Oh, if you click the 3D button on
How do
your...
you open this? I don't know.
I don't know how it does. Hang on. Oh, it snaps down. Here, let me see. It's not. The other ones we have sliders. This is it snaps down.
Oh. I was doing right. I did someone push.
But you can put your phone in here. It pretty nice. Soft foam rubber in the middle. It's a nice VR headset. It's spring loaded. On the app it says you hit the 3D button on the app and it splits it into dual screen, so it works for your VR. It's pretty cool.
Oh, it might help if I turn the app on.
Uh-huh.
It would help if I turn the app on.
Yeah. A little bit. Yeah. Wonder where them stickers go. That is a big drone. Looks, I bet they modeled it after them Phantom 3 or 4 or whatever.
Yeah, it looks
They're
like them, just like them.
Looks like 400, them drones are like $400 or something. Got a little scanner here, you can watch YouTube videos from ProMark. Or you can watch some of mine flying around out here. Headless mode. I'll have to read the directions on it. I don't know what them stickers are for. Cleaning tip. Pretty cool. Stickers are pretty cool. Green and black. 2 green, 2 black.
Ow! That's so painful.
Oh, it's got a little protector over the lens. The camera moves really easy. Sounds like it's on a servo, so it must be able to move the camera up and down and left and right. So you have to be careful moving it, because you don't want to strip it out. They got the sticker crooked on here.
Nothing happened. That stuff makes you dizzy. Whoa.
Yeah, man, it'll be cool flying with that on. They got the sticker crooked. I can't get it off the camera.
Okay, we're just gonna do the roller coaster one.
What app do you have?
I
Little
have
bitty
the
sticker.
horror one.
You gotta be careful, like I said, that's on a servo down there of some kind. I don't know what them stickers
Get
are
down.
for yet.
You're gonna knock that over. Get on there. Go.
Well,
This thing is
that's
hard
it
to
for our
open.
video. Like and subscribe. Check out my channel so you'll be able to see some videos of it. Maybe some aerial photography shots. Be pretty cool. That's a big drone. I'm a big person. Look how big that is. That's pretty good size. Have a good one.